Video, we're going to talk about the mean of sample mean. In the previous video, we talked about the big picture of estimating the population's parameters. And at the end of the video, I mentioned that when n, which is the number of sample, is large enough, we can actually imagine that sample mean itself follows a distribution of normal distribution, which have two parameters of uh, mean as population mean and standard deviation as standard deviation divided by root n. So and all the like estimating and like a lot of like process and things we can do like inferential statistics like happens in this distribution. So uh, first of all, we want to investigate all about this distribution so that we can use it later. So to know about distribution, there's like three steps we need to like experience. Is that first, central limit theorem. So it helps us to imagine the distribution of sample mean when n is large enough that sample mean follows a normal distribution. And because we know that normal distribution has two parameters, which are the mean and the standard deviation. So, of course, we are very interested in the distribution of sample mean. We want to also know the mean of the sample mean and the standard deviation of the sample mean. So, if we could investigate these three steps, we will get like almost every information that we need for the distribution, and we could get to the next level. So the order of the videos coming would be first getting the mean of the sample mean, and then get the standard deviation of the sample mean, and for the last, central limit theorem. The reason why this order is like this is that just because uh, demonstrating central limit theorem is the biggest challenge in this step, so we're gonna deal with like much easier steps, uh, second and third condition before we get to central limit theorem.